stabilization off just for a second. So yeah, I didn't have the camera running when I did that change, so yeah, I did change the stabilization from 55 to 50 for the aileron, and the dial on the transmitter's cranked all the way up. So whatever channel 10 or whatever it is that adjust your gain, it's giving me the maximum. Alright, low rate, stabilization on. We're just going to do some touch and goes and see how it goes. Okay, I idled the throttle. Check the direction of the different... Okay, here we go. Oh, I don't know why I weather vaned there. Stayed on the runway, but take off of this fabric runway and I'll land on the grass. Go figure. Alright, let's see what we got. When we do our base leg, we're going to stay just above tree line. I know I'm not at the trees, but it's just a precaution. Okay, not the best in the world. I'm going to give 3 clicks of up trim just so I don't have to manage the elevator so much on the down slope. Auto level turned on just for a little bit of a reference. Okay, back to stabilize. Alright, idle the throttle. Boy, am I high. Boy, that's not even a good lineup. Alright, here we are. Have to drag it in a little bit because of the headwind. Not bad. I'm going to take one of those clicks of up trim out. I think it needed a little more. I would land on that runway. Let me try landing on the runway. See, I'm afraid I'm going to snag the edge of that fabric and rip something off. I've done it before.
9 minutes.
But I never land on it, and I think anybody who looks at these videos thinks I don't know how to fly because I never touch it. I might just touch and go, just bounce on it because it is in rough shape. Out of here we go. Like I said, I think the wind has picked up some. I think we're probably at 7 or 8 knots, gusting at least. Yeah, I had to hammer the throttle. There's a bad spot you probably saw right in front of the camera where you just don't want to roll over it if you don't have to. We need to put another layer of fabric down on this runway. Let's pull vertical. Probably not wanting to do it with that camera. It actually does. Obviously the camera has a significant amount of weight for this little airframe. Airframe I think is around 24 ounces, maybe somewhere around 24 ounces with the battery. I probably could put a lighter battery in it, but the camera, you figure, gives me another 2 ounces. Let's shoot another approach.
Minimum trim reached.
Alright, so let's go ahead. I got the brake on. So that gust. Oh, and greased it in anyway. Amazing. So I think I've dumped enough of that battery that it's at a storage level, and I'll just end the flight there.